how to make a weather station using Smarden.tech. Hello viewers, we at Smarden believe in keeping things simple, and with Smarden.tech we are simplifying IoT for developers and makers like you. Today we will see how you can make a weather station that takes temperature and humidity readings of your surroundings and sends the data to a cloud server so that you can view it either with an app in your phone or a web dashboard. That's a lot of tasks. Well, don't worry. All of it can be done pretty easily using Smarden.tech. Let us make the connections very quickly and then we will see how to set up the backend part. You just need to make 3 connections: VCC and ground for power and data pin to any digital pin for communication. That's it for the hardware. Let us set up our IoT dashboard and write a code for our device. Log into Smarden.tech from your browser. You will be greeted with a striking looking dashboard. First and foremost, we need to create an instance to work on. An instance is like your personal server inside Smarden.tech, through which you can send or receive data. Creating an instance will give you username, password, and a subscribing topic that we will be using while programming. Next, we will create a group. A group is like a basket that holds several devices. After that, we will create devices. In this case, as we are only using one device, that is DHT11, we will create that. You need to choose previously created group to place the device. Creating a device will give you a device ID. And that's it for the configuration part. Now go to the dashboard and you can customize it however you want. You can add different widgets, gauge, sliders, toggle buttons, and even color pickers. Now let us see the programming part. Firstly, we will include the libraries and declare the variable. Now, after setting up the Wi-Fi connection part, we will program the board for connecting to the Smarden MQTT client using the username and password of your instance. After that, it is pretty straightforward. Create a function for getting the temperature and humidity, changing it from dBm to percentage, and then publish it to the client.